G'day from the Bureau with your national weather forecast around the country for Tuesday, the 13th of May. And as we've been saying for the last few weeks, high pressure will continue to dominate the weather for much of this week as well across much of southern parts of Australia. And that's leading to dry, warm and sunny weather for much of the country. The only wet weather around the country will just be showers through eastern parts of Queensland and the eastern parts of New South Wales as well. And we'll also see a cold front move into western parts of Tasmania as well, bringing showers there and maybe just the odd shower through southern parts of WA, where elsewhere it will be dry, warm and sunny. And let's look at all that in more detail. Firstly, in Queensland, while western areas will be dry, warm and mostly sunny, we can see eastern and northern areas could see showers during the late morning and afternoon period, probably more widespread around the North Tropical Coast and possibly through coastal parts of southeast Queensland as well. Temperatures in the high 20s to near 30s in the west and north, into the mid to high 20s through southeastern parts of the state. Brisbane, possible shower and 26 degrees. Moving down into New South Wales, we can see widespread showers developing through much of the central and eastern parts of the state from late morning into the afternoon period, and they'll continue through coastal areas as we get into Tuesday night. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s through western and northern areas, in the low 20s through coastal areas with those showery conditions. Canberra looking at a possible shower and 20 degrees. Sydney, quite a few showers and 22. Moving down into Victoria, dry, warm and sunny weather right across the state. Temperatures in the low to mid 20s across northern areas and low 20s through much of southern parts of the state with lots of sunshine. This is unusually warm for this time of year. Melbourne, a partly cloudy 21 degrees. Moving down into Tasmania, while the day will start quite dry and mostly sunny, we'll see that cold front move in during the afternoon and evening hours, and that'll bring showers to much of western and southern parts of the state later in the day. Elsewhere across the east will remain dry and partly cloudy. Temperatures in the mid-teens. Hobart looking at a partly cloudy 17 degrees. Through South Australia, high pressure continues to dominate the weather there, meaning another dry, warm and sunny day. Not good news for all of us looking for rainfall. Temperatures in the high 20s across the north and low to mid 20s across the south. Adelaide looking at a sunny 23 degrees. Moving into Western Australia, we can see temperatures in the high 20s to near 30 degrees through northern areas and even into the mid to high 20s through southern areas as well, while coastal parts of southern WA could see showers and cooler conditions there, while further north in Perth it'll be another warm, dry and sunny day, 26 degrees. And finally, across the tropical north, another dry, warm and hot day through parts of the Kimberley, Top End and Cape York. We could see a few isolated showers through parts of central NT and also across the Top End and far Cape York Peninsula. Temperatures in the southern NT in the mid to high 20s there, grading into the low to mid 30s across much of our tropical north. So remember, if you're around the country today or in the coming days, you can always get the latest forecast and warnings via our website and the Bomb Weather app, and we'll see you again tomorrow.